Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the new hot rod in the shop, 74 Z28. Found out that's the factory color, maybe a touch darker green, but it's a green Z28 factory 4-speed car. But enough about that. This car is all about horsepower. We bought this car so we could take you guys drag racing, autocrossing, hot rod drag week. This car we bought to beat on. We're going to expand out from the car shows and the cruise-ins and give you some exciting content to watch. So sit back, grab a drink, relax. We'll walk you through what it took to get it, how we got it home, how we had to get it running, issues we came up with once we got it here. The car is still not powered to or ready, but it won't be long. She's got a lot of good parts bolted in her. Check it out. Where are we going?
I don't know. Do you?
I know we're going to Florida. I'm trying to remember the last time I seen one of these.
I got 2 down. Wow.
Really?
What?
We've resorted to bowling with my lug nuts.
Yep.
All right. It says 65.
But it says 69 down there.
Well, look up there. Don't look down there. I can't wait to see it.
You don't want it. You can turn around.
I'm trying to remember the last time I seen one of these.
At Daytona.
Oh, I didn't even see one there. A what?
Feel like we looked at them.
Not this year. There was some later models, but not this one. So it's not really a rare car, but there's just not that many out there. A lot of them rotted away.
Why?
There's probably not going to be another one at the road course.
Probably not.
And if there's one at the drag strip, it's probably going to be a full-on race car.
Probably.
There's not much out here.
Waiting for the tumbleweeds. No.
But you're still in Florida.
Oh.
I think tumbleweeds are about 2 days that way.
Probably.
Thank you. You want some water ready?
Pretty truck.
See how long the bed is? You can put a golf cart in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's huge.
It is.
Either in the car or laying up underneath the hood. Would be my guess.
Hey, we're stopping this video right here to remind you to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Every time you do that, you help us keep doing this. We're doing this for you guys. Thank you. This one in the middle here, the third one back, is freaking right behind the dang things.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Alright, here's second one for over there.
Yeah, David Freiberger from Hot Rod.
Yep.
So, I was watching a show of Roadkill the other day. He's
Yep.
the one that came up with these ceramic coated boots.
Really?
He's like, well, spark plugs don't burn and they're made of ceramic. Why don't we make the spark plug boots out of ceramic? And that was his idea. I think we're good.
Come on, baby girl. You know you want to start. Drive 4-speed? See what I'm talking about on that clutch. Yeah, you can just, so you can go out all the way up to the stop sign, and hang a left, and come to the circle, go 3 more, down this way. Or you can take a right out, and then come back. This is Silver Road. You want me to go with you? Just on yeah, you ain't gonna get one.
The thing that holds the rear end over there is half of it's missing. The rear end is doing this. When you accelerate, it's fine because it's rolling up the pinion, but when you let off, it goes like that. It makes the rear end of the car go like that. It freaks you the hell out when you let off.
I forget this car's not as long as mine.
No. No.
I thought I'd ask.
I don't know where I'm going at all.
Okay.
I'm probably just going to turn around.
Okay.
Look at
Well, we made it home, and the dog is stoked about it. She's very grumpy. What? Are you so excited? I'm so excited too. I know.
Did you see how fast she turned
I missed
around?
ya.
Done on the outside,
I missed you, girl. Well, guys, we're home. We'll have to wait to show you the car a little bit better in the morning. The guys are all out here checking it out.
The wheels are.
But we finally made it home.
Here.
Check.
Check.
Mike.
You.
1 2 1 2.
You're awesome.
I feel like that's a song.
As long as we stop and eat.
No food for you.